This video is a video to support the teaching of the concrete, pictorial and abstract methods in maths and how it can help us with subtraction. So we'll start off with the concrete method. The concrete method is the doing method. It's things from real life, so using real life objects. In subtraction, you might start with food, as it's always good to show that objects have been eaten and they are no longer there, so we can see clearly what is left. So here's an example. I'll show you all the examples today with the same sum, 8 take away 2. So here I have 8 jelly beans. It's important that I can count out the right amount of objects for this stage. Tom came along and he ate 2 of my jelly beans. I've moved my jelly beans and I can clearly see how many I am left with. I'm left with 6. So I started with 8. Tom came along, he ate 2 of my jelly beans, and now I'm left with 6. That's how we would work out 8 take away 2 using the concrete method. And we know that the answer makes 6. You don't have to use edible items in this stage. You can use anything from flowers to pens, toys, and then gradually you may move on to other objects like counters or cubes. The most important thing is that your child can count. Then we get to the pictorial stage. This stage is representing the real life objects by drawing them or making diagrams that represent the objects. We may also use our fingers, although remember that this gets difficult when the sum includes numbers larger than 10. So again, looking at 8 take away 2, I've drawn circles that represent my jelly beans. I then cross out 2 to show that they've been taken away. I then count how many I have left, and again I find the answer is 6. Now we move on to the abstract stage, which we can do once we are more confident with the concrete and the pictorial stage. In this abstract stage, we might see a written problem. We have to read the written problem and use our knowledge of concrete and abstract to work out the problem. But first, we have to select the key pieces of information from the problem. So the problem here is Tom has 8 sweets, Jim takes away 2. How many sweets has Tom got left? Well, we need to start with 8 because that's how many sweets Tom starts with. And then we need to take away 2, just like Jim did, and we work out how many sweets Tom has left. I might use the concrete and the pictorial method to help me here. So I know that 8 take away 2 equals 6. The abstract stage is when we start to see the symbols, for example, the addition sign or the subtraction sign. They also see the equal sign. So in this stage, they may see number sums written like this. 8 take away 2 equals. Then we have to find the answer again. It's about using the previous methods to work out the answer. We now know that the answer is 6. I hope this helps. Thanks for listening. Bye!